Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the best printer for Cricut. Cricut is a great tool for both hobbyists and professional crafters alike. As with any craft project, having the right tools to get the job done is essential. That's why we've compiled this list of the top 5 best printers for Cricut to help you make good decisions for your project. If you like the forthcoming Cricut printers, we have also included the links in the description box so you can easily purchase them. The best part is that these links are regularly updated with the latest prices, so you can easily find the best deal available. So, without wasting your time, let's jump into the best printer for Cricut list. Number 1 is Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170. If you're a Cricut enthusiast, you know that the right printer is essential for creating stunning and professional-looking projects. Among the many options available, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 stands out as the best printer for Cricut. This printer is designed for high-volume printing, making it ideal for crafting enthusiasts who frequently print designs and patterns for their Cricut machines. With its PrecisionCore printhead technology and 4-color CMYK ink system, the Epson ET-5170 produces vibrant and accurate colors, ensuring that your designs are always true to your vision. The EcoTank system, which features large ink tanks instead of cartridges, allows you to print thousands of pages before refilling. This makes it a cost-effective and convenient option, as you won't have to worry about constantly replacing cartridges. Another advantage of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 is its versatile connectivity options. You can easily connect to the printer via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB, allowing you to print from multiple devices and locations. Overall, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 is a reliable and efficient printer that is perfect for Cricut enthusiasts. If you like this printer, then check out the description box below to purchase it.